Do your chickens come into the coop, lay their eggs, and make this kind of sound? It's almost like they're announcing that they laid an egg. For her older sister, Ming, this is Vesper making all the sound. Ming is actually in the nest box right now, and I'm wondering if she came in to support her. I can't really see her that well, so I'm going to come out and come around and see. What you doing, Ming? Are you laying an egg, girlfriend? Huh? All right, I guess Vesper is announcing that you're laying an egg. I can't imagine how noisy this place is going to be once they all are laying eggs here in the next few months. But anyway, just thought I'd ask you guys, do your birds make this kind of sound when they are in the process of laying eggs? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.